first? Egg? Okay, welcome on the Beaver's cooking show. First, who stole my egg? Now we have egg. Who stole my egg bowl? Hey, don't steal my ingredients. I need those. Pebble! Don't steal my bowl. Okay, we have egg. Don't steal my bowl! My bowl! Don't steal it! Give it back! Yeah. My bowl! Hey! Can I please have the bowl? I want to make a cake for you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Don't steal the ball! I have made better! Yay! Okay, and then what else? What else do we need? Oh, we need to put it in a cake bowl. Who has the cake? What are you putting into the oven? Who did this? Who did this? Who did that? Who's responsible? I should fire them. Oh, I didn't put the flour in. Oh, that's why. Who has the flour? Does anyone have the flour? Who has the flour? The flour was spilling out of the tree earlier. Stealing my flour! You stole my cake pack. Oh, I'm resetting the instance. Okay, hold on. Okay. This. Whisk. Which one of you do it? Snitch on them. The first person who gives me the bowl of whipped cream will get a special pebble hug. I will hug the first person who gives me the bowl of whipped cream. Where is it? That is not the bowl of whipped cream. Those are empty bowls. Did you accidentally throw away the bowl of whipped cream? None of you get a hug.